Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2006 Lucerne. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.8-liter engine, and comes with a 4-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This large front-wheel drive sedan is a quiet and refined cruiser. It comes with soft suspension, which results in a plush, absorbent ride. It is contemporary in appearance and available with all modern-day features. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.